Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song Send Me by Jenn Johnson. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then afterwards I'll break it down and explain it to you in more detail. Make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
If it's bandaging and broken, or washing filthy feet, here I am alone. Send me. If it's loving one another, even when we don't agree, here I am alone. Send me. If I'm poor or if I'm wealthy, I'll serve you just the same. Here I am alone. Send me. On the mountain or the valley, I will choose to praise. Here I am alone. Send me. If I'm known by how I love, let my life reflect how much I love you. I love you. And before you even ask, oh, the answer will be yes, 'cause I love you. I love you. If the truth cuts like an arrow, I will say it anyway. 'Cause here I am, Lord. Send me. If it means that they'll reject me, Lord, I will still obey. 'Cause here I am, Lord. Send me. If I'm known by how I love, let my life reflect how much I love you. I love you. And before you even ask, oh, my answer will be yes, 'cause I love you. I love you. When I'm standing in your glory, I'll be glad I chose to say, here I am, Lord. Send me. Well done, good and faithful, I live to hear you say, here I am, Lord. Send me. If I'm known by how I love, let my life reflect how much I love you. I love you. And before you even ask, oh, my answer will be yes, 'cause I love you. I love you.
So for this song, we're only going to be using 4 chords from the G chord family, and I'm going to be playing with my capo on the 3rd fret, just because that helps me to sing it better. So we're actually going to be in the key of A sharp or B flat, even though we're using the G chord family chords. chords. Now if you find this key too high or too low for you to sing, you can always adjust the position of the capo, or you can use my free transposing cheat sheet and learn how to transpose the song and change it into a different key for your own voice. You can get that right here. So I'm going to be using the G chord, which is going to look like this, and I'm going to be using all 6 strings for this chord. We're also going to be using the C add 9 chord, which is a nice easy transition from this G. So all I need to do is take my first and second finger and just move them each down a string. Very easy transition, a nice C alternative within the G chord family because of that. But I do not want to play that low E string, so I can let my thumb just touch that low E string so it's muted, and I'm going to play the bottom 5 strings. We're also going to be playing an E minor 7, which to get there from this C add 9, I just need to take my first finger and move it up, and my second finger and move it down a string and across to that second fret. And that's my E minor 7, another nice simple transition. My third and fourth finger are not moving. And I want to strum all 6 strings for this chord. And then the last and final chord is going to be a D over F sharp. And to play that, again, I'm just going to move these 2 fingers. So my first finger is going to go up a string, and my second finger is going to go down a string. So again, another easy transition. My third and fourth finger are going to stay where they are, and I'm going to play all 6 strings. So what's great about these 4 chords is you don't have to move your third and fourth finger the whole time. You're only moving 2 fingers, your first and second finger, for the entire song. Now that might make your third and fourth finger a little tired, but it's going to make your transitions a lot easier. For strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a nice simple 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with an up strum added after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat. We want to make sure also to put emphasis on beat 1 and 3. So every other beat we're going to strum harder. So I'm just going to hold that G chord and I'm going to play that strum pattern and count it out loud so you can see what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.